Welcome to Drew Tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the read and write speed of your SSD drive on your Windows computer. So press the Windows key on your keyboard or simply click the Windows key on your taskbar here, and you want to type in CMD, right click, and you run this as administrator. You'll have a pop-up, simple click on yes. And once it's open, guys, you want to use the following command: winsat space disk space dash drive space C. Now, keep in mind that the C is the name of the drive. So if your drive is D, E, F, or whatever you want to name that drive, be mindful that you want to change this letter to that specific drive. But mine is currently at the C drive, and I'm going to show you as well. So if I open up my file explorer here and I go to this PC, you can see that I have a C drive here, and that's the reason why mine is set to C drive. Now, once you do that, guys, just simply hit an enter and wait for the check to complete. You will see that it's currently doing its thing there, and once this is completed, you want to focus on the area that says this sequential read, and you can see the time there. Mine is saying 1497.40 there, and as you can see, the write is showing as 1669.54. And that's how you can easily go ahead and check the read and write speed of your solid state drive on your Windows computer. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.